Hey everyone, today has been a day. We spent the morning at the dentist. Not a lot of fun, but we're about to have a real good day because we are heading to Utah to celebrate Markel's birthday.
Yeah!
How's your lip? Winston fell at the dentist.
Yeah.
Split his lip open right there. Ouchie, ouchie. That hurt?
I had a great day.
Gager had to get a couple cavities filled. Dang it. I told him, way better to just brush those teeth really good, huh?
Down here.
You're gonna do a lot better. Yes, sir.
I'm not feel very nice.
Right.
Oh, that's birthday.
We're gonna go to Markel's birthday.
And guess
So
what?
we made some signs. It was just Jessica's birthday too. And it's Markel's birthday today. Yay! And then we did another one that just says, happy birthday, we love you. But right now, we have a lot of cleaning to hurry and do. We need to get some presents put together. And do you guys wanna watch this? I like watching stuff like this. I like watching people clean and do things. So. Okay, we got things cleaned up good enough. Could they be better? Absolutely, but we're gonna take it. Thank goodness for teamwork, right, Bray Bray?
Right, just pretty much me and you. The boys are.
I mean, yeah, that's what I mean. That's what I mean. We're the team.
Yep.
Anyways, I was gonna show you what I got for Kale and Jess for their birthdays because I was kind of putting them together while we were cleaning, and just in case you were wondering. These are usually the kinds of gifts that I give because I have always kind of given them because I do hair. So I'm giving Kale and Jess both shampoo and conditioner sets. I love this. I talked about it on the mom's view, but this is so silver. I also love called the blue one. Do you remember what it's called? Brass Off, maybe?
Yeah, brass off.
I can't remember, but they're from Matrix. They work so good. And then also dry shampoo. Jess has one too.
Yep, dry shampoo.
And then I got this lotion and it smells so good.
Yeah, it does.
Acai and blueberry. It is like you want to lick your arm, but it doesn't taste good. But it smells that good.
She's tasted it.
No, I haven't. This is another one that I love. Blushing grapefruit and raspberry cream. So good. And then I also got them hair oil. This is the hair oil that I've been using from Lonza, and it's really good. So now we're just going to hurry and
We forgot about the best part.
oh,
Balloons.
we're gonna hurry and put some tissue paper in there and go. I was just saying to Bailey, why does it take so long for us to go anywhere? I swear that it's just like,
We told Grandma we were leaving at 3:30.
okay, we need to go. Like we literally take so much longer. We did have dentist appointments today, so that took longer. And then I'm doing Kale and Jessica's hair, and so I had to get everything for that too. So, does that excuse my tardiness? Okay, we got the goods. You got the goods?
Got the goods.
We made it. If anyone was wondering where the party is, it's here. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, happy birthday!
Hi, baby.
Happy birthday!
Did you write this?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, thank
Happy
you.
birthday!
Thank you.
I like this one.
What did you write?
This?
And this?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I love it. More? Oh, that's for you.
Thank you.
This is for both of you guys. Thank you. Guys.
Yeah,
come here. Thank you. Yeah, how come you're spoiling us?
I'm happy that we found that the party is here. I wasn't sure, but you put up that sign that says the party is here.
I'm a little slow.
It looks so cute.
Who's here?
Hayden's here?
You guys have been here for a long time.
Yeah. We've
Okay.
been settled.
Oh my gosh, Hayden's here! We just had dinner and now we're going to visit my grandma and we're having ice cream here with her. I'm so excited to see her. It's been way, way too long. Hi, she would think you're so big. Yeah, yeah. Can you hear the music?
Okay, we need to start singing the next time it goes around. Okay, right here.
Okay. Happy birthday
to
to you. Happy birthday.
Good.
Good. Yay!
Here, hold this so I can
Happy
sing
birthday, Kale. Happy birthday, Jess.
Thank you.
It's gonna burn me now.
You guys can hold it and I'll take your picture.
Yum. That looks so good.
That's what we were at.
Bye. As you saw, Markel and Jess had to head home early this morning, which is such a bummer. I was thinking that they were going to be here all day today, so I was like, oh, what? But I actually had a hair appointment, so I'm going to get my hair just evened up. I think I really like the length. I did end up cutting it twice by myself, and I went a little shorter the second time, obviously, because that's what happens when you cut your hair more than one time. Anyways, I like the length, but I just want to make sure it's all evened up, and I want to go just a little bit longer. Not a lot longer, but just like lighten up my roots a little bit for the summertime. That's where I'm going right now. I'm almost done processing. I just did a few. What do you think? I love it. It's a little blonder, a little brighter, and I love it so much. Hey. Hi. Wait, looks like I'm out of here. We are now in Logan, Utah, looking for a dress for Braylee for Logan's wedding. Nothing like waiting until the last second. I have been looking just online, but we're going to Logan's actual stores. So let's just look that we find.
I'm gonna get a wedding
Winston. Oh, there's something in my shoe out. Trying on
Wear that as a belt
dresses.
or a scarf or
So pretty. We're actually in a prom shop,
Yes.
so she's been trying on
Yes.
these prom dresses too. That was really pretty. Okay,
So one more.
I really like that. It's pretty. Here is another option. I actually really like this. I think it's pretty. Yeah, it's a large. We'd have to have it altered. I like any of them. Which ones do you like the best?
The ones I can't wear.
Out of the three that you could. Don't mind my little ones over there. Hey, we found dresses, and there's enough for all the cousins. Thank you. I need a new camera. Fixing my lens. It's my favorite thing that it sticks. You ready to go, buddy? This little baby is hungry. Okay, we're gonna go. You did a good job. I know, sweetheart. You did a good job. Winston's helping Layla, and he's doing such a good job. It's really cute. I said to Riley, do we trust this situation? But he's doing good. He's taking good care of her, huh? Good job, buddy. Okay, just keep following her. Keep following her. Help her go down the slide.
Can you see her?
Woohoo! She coming? And Braylee went to help. Woohoo! You want to do that again, Braylee?